In this video, I will show you how to create volume in Synology nas. In Main menu, select Storage Manager. Assuming you have available SSD or HDD. Click and create storage pool. Choose Better Performance, then click Next. I am using only 2 HDDs, so I will choose RAID 1. Then select HDD available. Just drag and drop, then click Next. Creating storage pool done. Now go to Volume and click Create. On this settings, please follow my selections, then continue. On this page, you have the option to add description. Congratulations, you have now created your volume. To create another volume, just repeat the process. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.